We will explore the simplest and easiest side hustle for passive income in today's method. With zero upfront investment, you can begin your sticker selling venture. Regardless of your skills or experience, you have the potential to generate $200 in profits within the first week. As you progress, your earnings can soar, reaching $10,000 or more, depending on your dedication and strategic approach. We will use ChatGPT and Leonardo, two cutting-edge artificial intelligence platforms, to craft exquisite stickers. These stunning designs can be effortlessly sold on highly popular online marketplaces such as Etsy or Redbubble. On Etsy, sticker prices typically range from 50 cents to $10, and some sellers have achieved remarkable sales figures, with up to 20,000 units sold. This video focuses on harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to simplify the process, with AI handling around 90% of the workload. To get started, let's begin by searching for sticker ideas with great market appeal. Simply navigate to ChatGPT, create an account, and easily request a multitude of ideas by entering the phrase, "Give me 10 ideas for stickers that I can sell." Among the generated suggestions, choose your preferred idea, such as the 6th idea related to nature. Next, type "Generate 10 ideas featuring nature elements" to discover a captivating array of nature-inspired ideas. Moving on to the second step, let's design the stickers. We have a delightful task ahead, thanks to the remarkable capabilities of Leonardo.ai, another cutting-edge AI-powered platform. To get started, register on Leonardo and you'll receive an allocation of 150 points in your account. These points are essential for generating stunning sticker designs. Input some keywords or descriptions into Leonardo to unleash its sophisticated AI technology, producing visually appealing images that capture the viewer's imagination. To ensure the finest sticker designs, it is crucial to activate the sticker option and select the D-Stickers model from the Community Models section. Paste the chosen idea from ChatGPT into Leonardo, along with the keywords "a sticker" and "a vector", then click Generate to initiate the generation of multiple images. Choose the desired number of images, bearing in mind that generating more require increased point expenditure. Rest assured, the initial 150 points will be automatically replenished after 8 hours, guaranteeing continued creative freedom. Leonardo offers limitless possibilities for designing captivating stickers. Witness Leonardo's creative prowess as it generates an assortment of alluring and visually pleasing sticker designs. If you desire further designs resembling the existing ones, simply click on the 3 dots and select Generate again. In the event that the current designs fail to meet your expectations, Leonardo offers a myriad of effects for modification purposes. You can resize, delete, or make adjustments to specific elements, thereby tailoring the designs to your preference. Once you have finalized the designs, you can conveniently download them with or without the background, based on your intended application. Should you come across an image that captivates your attention and you wish to replicate its essence, the process is simple. Choose the image, upload it, and select Image to Image. Click Upload or drag and drop an image to use as input, upload the desired image, and then click Generate. Witness the magic unfold as Leonardo presents you with multiple designs akin to the chosen image. Download these designs, all without background, allowing for seamless integration into your sticker collection. Now, with the third step in mind, it becomes essential to present the stickers in an aesthetically appealing manner that captivates potential customers. Canva, a highly recommended platform, provides an array of features to accomplish this goal. Begin by registering on Canva, and once you have access, opt for a custom size suited to your stickers, taking into account the recommended dimensions stipulated by your chosen selling platform. For instance, if you opt for Etsy, a collage featuring 2 images may require a size of 600 by 300 pixels. Select an appropriate background, such as a clean white canvas, and proceed to download the meticulously crafted sticker designs from Leonardo. With a keen eye for composition, arrange and organize the stickers on the background, creating a visually harmonious composition that beckons viewers. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, it's time to upload the final image, ready to captivate prospective customers. The final step is to register on popular selling platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Amazon, or eBay. Follow the respective platforms' guidelines to create an account and publish your stickers for sale. Learning the ins and outs of these platforms may initially be challenging, but with time, patience, and dedication, you can succeed and achieve the financial results you desire. Thank you. Mr. Minato was with you. I will be very happy if this video reaches 50 likes.